Hey guys, Vic here with PhoneArena, and today we're testing and comparing the cameras on the brand new Galaxy S22 Ultra against the OnePlus 10 Pro. So that's what the quality looks like at 4K video recording, 30 frames per second, which we actually guess you'll be using most of the time. This is the best quality, best compromise between size and quality, I should say. So follow me around and let's take a quick look at video stabilization, just using the default video stabilization on both phones. In 4K video. Let's just move a bit. Which one you think does better in terms of video stabilization? Let me know in the comments about that. Let's stop right here and also pan around a bit. Take a look at these fun little graffiti. Alright, and let's also point the phones towards the sky and slowly pan around. See how they adjust to different lighting conditions, to the brighter sky and the darker shadows. How smooth are those transitions in exposure. And one last thing, I'll step out of the frame real quick and see if the phones can refocus and using their continuous autofocus, of course. So focusing back on my face, and they should be able to switch focus between me as I pop in and back to the background as I pop out, and that's a good workout. Alright guys, right now we're recording at 3 times zoom, 3.3 times on the OnePlus, and let's see if it uses that telephoto zoom camera for video as well. So right now recording video with the 3 times zoom camera on the Galaxy, 3.3 times on the OnePlus. Let me know if the quality is good, which one does better. Next up we'll switch to 10 times zoom. Alright guys, next up I'm so far away from the cameras because we have to use that 10 times zoom to check out the quality. The Galaxy has a dedicated zoom lens. And let me know if you can hear me. I'm far away from the phone, so can they pick up my voice if that's far away? Alright, that's a quick 10 times zoom test on the OnePlus 10 Pro and Galaxy S22 Ultra. Alright, and next up we have indoor low light video quality test. So let me know, how do you find the video quality on these two phones indoors where you don't have a light source? It's pretty dark, pretty dim here. It's not completely dark, but it's pretty dim. So this definitely qualifies for a low light video test. Also, let's switch to the ultra wide cameras here, which are not doing such a great job usually in low light conditions. And definitely you should be using the main camera, but that's what the ultra wide looks. And you can see our studio is a bit messy right now, but that's what you get when you have new phones around. And let's also walk a bit around, switch back to the main cameras right now. So switching to the main cameras and walking a bit. Follow me to the next room. All right. As you can see, it's even darker here. And this will do it for this quick comparison between the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the OnePlus 10 Pro.